Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class, we are going to draw crankcase. It is the main part in this total engine assembly, and I don't get exact dimensions for this crankcase, so I draw this crankcase based on the other parts dimensions. So let's see how it's going to be look like, and let's start the drawing the part. Let's select this plane. Here I'm selecting rectangle. Let's make it constrain everything. Symmetry with the vertical axis, and its height is 52 and its width is 52. Okay, here we required radius with dimension 6 mm. Okay, and here also right. Let's exit the workbench and select the plane. So I'm selecting this XY, sorry, ZY plane, and here it is 46 distance. Preview. Okay, now let's select this plane here. Right, again I want to draw a rectangle box. Now make this constraint coincidence with this bottom axis, and make these two lines asymmetry with vertical axis. Okay, give the dimension, it is 35 mm. Okay, here its height is 41.5 mm. Okay, so let's select the arc. Okay, with radius 20 mm. So here now make this arc as coincidence with these points. Okay, right, now make this line as construction mode. Now it is also fully constrained, so exit the workbench. Okay, now here we want to select the multi-section solid. Right, before selecting here, if we select the multi-section solid, let's select this plane and here other plane. So make these closing points as in same direction and same places also. So here I'm selecting, let's see preview. So here it is selecting, it's projecting some error. Okay, so we need some guidelines how to project this part, because it is some, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here in this backside sketch there are 6 points are there. Here 1 2 3 4, only 4 points is there. So 4 here in front plane it is 4 points, backside is 6 points. There is no matching, so that we need to give the guideline. Okay, let's see how we can give that. Here let's select this plane, I mean line, select this point and this point. Okay, again here one point and here other one. Okay, again here and this point, again last one. Okay, this is the guidelines I'm projecting here. Now let's enter into the multi-section solid. Now I'm selecting this first plane and here another one, second one. Same as again I'm replacing this part, I mean closing point here. Now give the guidelines. So here I'm selecting first line, select this place here, first line, second line, third line and fourth line. Let's say preview. Let's see, wait 1 second. Okay, so here I have selected ratio method, right? We got. Let's project this arc here. 1 second. Let's select this plane and project this arc and make this arc as construction mode. So here I want a circle with diameter 35 mm. So I am selecting this arc as base reference point. So here I am selecting concentricity of the circle, projected line. Okay, now give the diameter, it is 35 mm, right? Let's exit the workbench, give the pad option and its distance is 6 mm. Okay, here I want to select the plane again, new plane. Outside from plane, here I'm selecting this plane and its distance is 2 mm. Okay, so let's hide this previous one to avoid the confusion. Select this plane. Okay, now here I want to draw a circle again, so that before I want to project this arc again and make this arc as construction mode. Select the circle. So I'm selecting the concentricity of this previous circle and its diameter also 40 mm. Okay, so now exit the workbench, again select the pad, its distance is 2 mm. Okay, this is the part I want. Yes, exactly. Again hide this plane here. Now we have finished with this plane. So again I want to select a new plane now from this bottom side and its distance is 33 mm in reverse direction. Okay, 33 mm. Let's select this plane. Right, here I want to draw a profile something, so let's select the profile option, profile tool. Here I want a curve, so I am holding left mouse click, so I select the circle. Again at this point I am clicking left button, so again I got a line here. Okay, right, again same as I want another profile. Okay, this is the model I required. Now let's project this part here and give the constraints profile drawings. So now this profiles constraint with this projected line. So now we need to give the dimension constraints. So its radius is 3 mm and this radius also 3 mm, and from this point to this point in horizontal direction it is 4 mm. Okay, let's drag this part. Okay, its horizontal distance is 4 mm and its vertical distance is also there. Its vertical distance is 17 mm. Okay, and we need to give one more dimension here from this point to vertical line. It is 31 mm. I think it's enough. Okay, make this line constraint as horizontal. So now it is fully constrained. So now remove the unwanted lines. Okay, right. Now I want to make one profile as mirror. So this is the profile I want to mirror here. So select the mirror option where it is. Yes, mirror option. I'm selecting this plane, right? Now exit the workbench and give the pad command with the open profile. Cancel. Let's see. They are saying here it is open profile is there. Line 8. Okay, here it is isolated. Let's delete it. Right, now everything is closed one. Now exit the workbench, select the pad command and give the height is 20 mm in reverse direction. Right, this is the object we need here, and I think it is very down, so we have to increase some height. Let's select this profile height is 41. Okay, this is a required one. I mean, this is the actual height. Okay, hide this plane here. Now select the whole command and select this curve and this plane. Its diameter is 3 mm and depth is 20 mm. Okay, right, as do as on these three profiles. Okay, right, now we have done this one. Now let's select this plane here. Okay, and so not here, this backside plane. Okay, here draw a rectangle, give the dimensional constraints here, sorry, geometric constraints, and now give the dimension it is as 20 mm. Okay, its width is, let's give its dimension as 42 mm. Okay, and make constraint with this line coincidence. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.